So you speak Bisaya then, yes? Do you know how to speak Bisaya, Grove? Or Bisaya ka, Grove? My God, Rock. Eh, Rock, steady eh. Hoy, Rock. What happened? Nako, hindi mo ako papayagan lumapit sa'yo. No, I have just started with the B6. Oh, what, ano? What words ba, Grove? Like what? Ako, ikaw, siya, kita. What else? Only that? How about thank you, like that? Ay, Rocksteady eh. Salamat. Guwapa kayo ka. Oy, nice one. Ano pa? How about sa ano? Handsome. Ano Bisaya sa handsome? Lenmar. Bakit mo ko tinatanawan, Lenmar? How about handsome, guwapo? Hey, Rocksteady, what happened?